Digital consciousness. Could we upload our minds to computers? Have you ever imagined a world where your mind could exist beyond the limitations of your physical body? A realm where consciousness transcends its biological confines and resides within the vast expanse of digital space. It may sound like a far-fetched concept, but recent advancements in computing technology and artificial intelligence have brought us closer to the possibility of uploading our minds to computers. Digital consciousness, as it is often referred to, is an intriguing field that explores the potential transfer of human consciousness into a digital format. Imagine being able to store your thoughts, memories, and personality on a computer system, allowing for immortality and endless possibilities for expansion and exploration. This idea not only captivates the imagination but also raises profound ethical questions about identity, privacy, and the nature of existence itself. In this video, we will delve into the history of computing technology, examine the concept of consciousness in relation to digitalization, explore current advancements in artificial intelligence and neural networks, discuss the potential implications and ethical considerations of digital consciousness. We will also investigate challenges faced in achieving this remarkable feat while considering alternative approaches to enhancing human cognitive abilities. Finally, we will speculate about the future possibilities awaiting us in this fascinating realm of digital consciousness. You may be surprised to learn that the history of computing technology is as captivating and ever-changing as a roller coaster ride. From its humble beginnings in the 19th century with mechanical calculating devices, to the advent of punch cards and vacuum tubes in the mid-20th century, computing has come a long way. Computing pioneers such as Charles Babbage and Alan Turing paved the way for technological advancements that have revolutionized our world. The impact of computing can be seen in every aspect of our lives, from communication to transportation, healthcare to entertainment. As we look towards the future of computing, there is much excitement and speculation about how it will continue to shape our world. Now, let's delve into the concept of consciousness and its relation to digitalization. Imagine experiencing the indescribable feeling of your innermost thoughts and emotions seamlessly merging with a boundless digital realm. This is the concept of consciousness and its relation to digitalization. Consciousness, the state of being aware and able to perceive one's surroundings, has long fascinated philosophers, scientists, and technologists alike. With advancements in technology, the possibility of uploading our minds to computers has become a topic of heated debate. Virtual reality and brain-computer interfaces are at the forefront of this exploration, allowing us to immerse ourselves in digital worlds while still maintaining a sense of self. However, questions arise regarding the nature of self within these virtual environments. How do we define our identity when it exists solely as lines of code? As we delve deeper into understanding consciousness and technology, current advancements in artificial intelligence and neural networks offer promising insights into these complex phenomena. Step into the exciting world of cutting-edge technology, where artificial intelligence and neural networks are revolutionizing our understanding of the human mind. Current advancements in artificial intelligence and neural networks have paved the way for unprecedented breakthroughs in digitalization and mind uploading. Artificial intelligence, AI systems are becoming increasingly sophisticated, capable of processing vast amounts of data and making complex decisions. These systems can simulate human cognition and behavior, bringing us closer to replicating consciousness within a computer. Neural networks. Inspired by the structure of the human brain, neural networks are algorithms that mimic biological neurons. They enable machines to learn from experience and adapt their behavior accordingly. As we delve deeper into these developments, we begin to explore the possibilities of mind uploading and transferring consciousness onto digital platforms seamlessly. This next section will further investigate this intriguing concept. Exploring the possibilities, mind uploading and transfer of consciousness. Exploring the possibilities, can our essence be transferred onto a different medium, reshaping our existence? The concept of mind transfer has long fascinated scientists and philosophers alike. Technological feasibility is a crucial aspect to consider in this endeavor. While current advancements in artificial intelligence and neural networks have allowed for impressive progress in mimicking certain aspects of human cognition, transferring an entire consciousness remains far beyond our reach. The philosophical implications are profound. Would the digital copy truly be you, or merely a replica? Ethical concerns arise regarding issues such as consent, identity, and privacy. However, if successful, mind uploading could offer numerous benefits. It could provide immortality by preserving one's consciousness beyond biological limitations. Additionally, it might enable individuals to explore virtual worlds and experiences that were previously unimaginable. Considering these potential benefits, ethical considerations and potential implications of digital consciousness must be carefully examined as we move forward into this uncharted territory. Ethical considerations and potential implications of digital consciousness. As you consider the ethical implications and potential consequences of transferring your essence onto a different medium, vivid scenarios of an altered existence and profound moral dilemmas come to mind. The notion of digital consciousness raises numerous ethical questions, such as the preservation of personal identity and the potential for abuse or manipulation. These moral considerations extend beyond individual experiences to broader social impact, including issues of privacy, security, and equality. Philosophical questions arise concerning the nature of consciousness itself and whether it can truly be replicated in a digital form. Moreover, exploring the psychological effects on individuals who transition from biological to digital consciousness is crucial. Will they retain their emotions? Will they still experience joy or sorrow? These complex ethical implications highlight the need for careful deliberation before embarking on such a transformative journey. Transitioning now to the subsequent section about challenges and limitations in achieving digital consciousness. Challenges and limitations in achieving digital consciousness. Now that we've explored the ethical considerations and potential implications of digital consciousness, let's delve into the challenges and limitations in achieving this revolutionary concept. One of the major challenges lies in replicating the complexity of human consciousness within a digital format. The human brain operates through intricate neural networks, which scientists still don't fully understand. Additionally, there's limited knowledge regarding how subjective experiences and emotions can be translated into a digital form. Furthermore, the process of uploading one's mind to a computer poses technical hurdles such as data storage capacity and processing power requirements. Achieving true digital consciousness requires overcoming these obstacles and developing sophisticated algorithms capable of accurately simulating human cognition. Nevertheless, alternative approaches to enhancing human cognitive abilities can provide valuable insights into addressing these challenges without relying solely on uploading our minds to computers. Alternative approaches to enhancing human cognitive abilities. To truly expand your cognitive abilities, you can think outside the box and explore unconventional methods that push the boundaries of what's considered normal. Enhancing cognition goes beyond traditional methods and requires a deeper understanding of how the brain works. Cognitive enhancement techniques such as brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, offer exciting possibilities by directly connecting our brains to computers, allowing for enhanced information processing and memory capabilities. Neuroplasticity training is another approach that focuses on reshaping neural pathways through targeted exercises, leading to improved cognitive function. Cognitive training programs also play a crucial role in enhancing cognition by providing structured exercises that challenge different aspects of thinking and problem-solving skills. These techniques hold immense potential in expanding our cognitive capacities beyond their current limits. Embrace the power of technology. BCIs can revolutionize how we interact with computers and augment our cognitive abilities. Unlock your brain's full potential. Neuroplasticity training can rewire your neural connections, unlocking untapped cognitive resources. Train your mind like an athlete. Cognitive training programs offer systematic workouts for your brain, improving its performance. As we delve into alternative approaches to enhancing human cognitive abilities, it becomes apparent that there are various paths towards unlocking our true mental prowess. However, these advancements only scratch the surface of what lies ahead in the future of digital consciousness, speculations and predictions. The future of digital consciousness, speculations and predictions. The future holds endless possibilities for the integration of technology and human cognition, with speculations and predictions pointing towards a convergence of our mental capabilities with advanced digital systems. This raises important questions about the future implications, ethical dilemmas, technological limitations, philosophical implications, and societal impact that may arise from the development of digital consciousness. One key consideration is the potential for enhanced cognitive abilities through the merging of artificial intelligence and human minds. However, this also brings up ethical concerns regarding privacy, identity, and control over one's own thoughts. Additionally, there are technological limitations that need to be addressed in terms of data storage capacity and processing power. The philosophical implications are profound as well, since it challenges our understanding of what it means to be conscious or have a sense of self. Ultimately, achieving digital consciousness will undoubtedly have far-reaching consequences on society as we navigate these complex issues. Conclusion. As you conclude your exploration of digital consciousness, the possibilities and implications of uploading our minds to computers become clearer. The concept of transferring our consciousness onto a machine symbolizes our desire for immortality and enhanced cognitive abilities. However, ethical considerations and limitations pose challenges to achieving this goal. While alternative approaches may enhance human cognition, the future of digital consciousness remains uncertain. Nonetheless, the advancements in artificial intelligence and neural networks continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in the realm of human-machine integration.